Hey, what's up, y'all? It's David with I'm So Offended. I know it's been a minute. Um, got a lot going on, but at the same time, some people have been reaching out to me, and you know, we've been talking, and I'm working on a few cases with some people trying to deal with their proceedings and whatnot. But I just recently met with my tax guy, and this really wasn't something I had planned, but just something I felt that I needed to do to let you guys know because this is something I'm doing. So, anyways, first of all, I'm not a lawyer and I don't practice law. I'm not liable for anything that I say that you do or any of the sort. Um, the This is all for educational and entertainment purposes only. And let's get to this. So so what's going on here is some of you guys are working your jobs, whatever, and you're getting garnished for child support and whatever it may be. And and like, let's say you expect the refund, you're paying your taxes and all that other stuff, and and like, let's say you're expecting a refund, right? But it's all going to get taken to taxes. So here's the thing. So if you're going to have an overpayment, right, what you can do if you're expecting money back, well, this is from the IRS website, as you can see right here, apps.irs.gov. What are the options for an overpayment, right? So you can apply any portion of the overpayment to the following year, receive all or part of the refund using direct deposit, receive all or part of the refund as a check, or purchase Series I saving bonds. Okay, and how do you apply it to the following year? For taxpayers who want to pay a portion of the overpayment next year's taxes, enter the amount applied to the following year on the applicable line. So there's actually a line, right, in your 1040 easy, um, in which you can put down that you want it to be applied. So, like, let's say you're getting back 5, 6 grand. It's your year to like claim the child and whatever, and whatever it may be, but it's all going to go to child support and whatever. Fuck that. Fuck that. Don't get any of it and just put down for it to be applied to the following year, right? Hold on, hear me out, right? So therefore, you don't get the money. That money gets pushed out because the IRS comes first. And what you do instead is, at your job, you just claim exemption. You claim exempt. You don't even put one. You put no tax liability, right? You claim exempt, put no tax liability, you get a bigger check, and what would happen is, over the course of the year, you're going to end up having to owe taxes. So, like, let's say you go through the year, you owe, I don't know, up to $1,000, 2,000, but because you were getting money back, it's just going to pay for it. And you're getting the max that you can in your check. Whatever money was going to get seized for child support will no longer get seized, because now it's just going to pay for the taxes, because now you're not paying for them. Now all the credits and all the money that you were going to get back is instead being used for the taxes that you're not paying anymore. Check this out. So, can you claim exempt from one paycheck, or how should I be filing exempt on taxes, right? So, you can claim an exemption from federal withholdings if you expect a refund of all federal income tax withheld because you expect to have no tax liability and had no tax liability in the previous year. So the strategy here is to, like, let's say if you already had money that was coming forward and you're going to be doing your taxes coming up soon. I know this is like odd to be talking about this in September. I'm just like barely doing my taxes, and I was talking to my tax guy and I was like, holy shit, and I came up on this. And so when your taxes come forward, or even because, like, right now it's not the end of the year, right? Let's say this is your year to claim your child, but it's going to get taken to child support. Fuck that. As of now, contact your employer, change your W-4s, and go exempt the rest of the way. You're going to have a bigger check, and then come doing your taxes in February, March, April, whatever it may be, then just get it pushed out. Like, let's say if there's still money left over, then have them take the money from that, because it's going to say that you owe money, right? So they'll take it from the refund and then just push it out for the following year. That way, in a way, you're not getting the refund then, you're getting your refund throughout your check. Stay with me. All right? So, you claim exempt, so no tax liability, meaning that you are knowingly getting zero taxes taken out of your checks, right? You get the full amount. Do that for as long as you can, especially when you know you're supposed to get money back, right? And then just let it get taken from whatever money you were going to get. You know, because my reasoning behind this is, if I'm not going to get this money, nobody will. You know what I'm saying? And I'd rather that the federal government take it legally, because we got to pay taxes no matter what, instead of the state taking it for their fraudulent scam of child support. All right? So all this is taken from the IRS website to apply the overpayment, which would be when you paid extra in taxes, right? When you're expecting a refund, or if it's your year to claim a child, because like it doesn't matter how your situation ended up in custody, court, or whatever it may be. They always do 1 year mom, 1 year dad. They always do that. So if it's your year to claim and you're getting that money, but it's going to be taken because of child support, then claim exempt, get all your money throughout the year, and then just have it get taken out of the claim credit and then push it out. You know what I'm saying? So that's how you can get your money now without it getting taken from child support later. You know what I mean? Think about this. So go ahead and look these up. This is at the you could see it right there if you want to go ahead and like copy and paste the address up above of the IRS website, right? There's that one there. You can pause it, and here's this one here if you want this information. It's just basically from H&R Block, and just says how you should be filing, and it says how to do it. So to claim an exemption, you complete lines 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7, sign the form, validate it, write exempt, and there it is. Just like that. You know, and that's how you can keep your money. So that was it. Just wanted to let you guys know about this, and hit me up if you have questions, put comments, whatever, and see you next time. All right, later.